What if I was to tell you that your body's most powerful antioxidant isn't vitamin C, vitamin E, or even zinc? It's much more powerful than that. It's considered the master antioxidant. Well, this is known as glutathione. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to utilize glutathione to optimize your health. So if you care about detox, your immune system function, optimize energy levels, lowering inflammation, and also aging in a healthy way, then you're not going to want to miss this. So stick around to the end. But before we get started, I'm Dr. Nick Zyrowski, and as always, it's a pleasure hanging out in another video with you guys. I love this topic of glutathione because I've seen clinically how important it is at transforming somebody's health. I've seen how important it is for getting someone who is sick well again. So let's look at glutathione as a whole. Glutathione is a crucial antioxidant in your body, and it's made up of 3 amino acids: cysteine, glycine, and glutamate, and it's found in every single cell in your body. It's made primarily in the liver and plays a central role in detoxification, immune defense, cellular protection, and also mitochondrial energy. This is all very important for you to maintain a good level of health. Now, unfortunately, many of us are depleted of glutathione today. You might ask yourself, well, what would deplete me of glutathione, this master antioxidant? Well, it's many things. Stress, toxins, which there's a lot of that in our environments. Aging is a factor, and I'll explain more in just a second. Poor diet. If you're dealing with lots of infections, or if you're dealing with a lot of inflammation in your body, this will also deplete you of glutathione. Now, it's estimated that after the age of 20, we have a decreased level of glutathione between 8 and 12% every single year, meaning that as we age, our glutathione levels go lower, and it's in our best interest to optimize them. So glutathione, this master antioxidant, well, it has a huge job in your body. And this job is going to be to neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that are going to damage your cells and accelerate aging. Low glutathione levels are linked to many health problems such as chronic inflammation, faster aging, right? We all know that person that just looks 10 years, 20 years beyond their age, neurodegeneration, and also an increased risk of disease. Without glutathione, your cells become far more vulnerable to those free radicals, and cellular function has actually been shown to increase when levels of glutathione are optimized. When your cell is depleted of glutathione, as in there's no glutathione, the cell is actually going to die. So optimizing glutathione levels is actually very critical for your overall health. And as I mentioned from the onset of this video, it's important in order to get a sick person well. So if you're suffering with your health in any way, glutathione will help optimize cellular function and help get you well. And one of the key ways that it's going to do this is through supporting your liver health. It's actually very important, this glutathione, for liver detox and toxin removal. What you're going to find is that glutathione is absolutely crucial for phase 2 liver detoxification, where your body neutralizes and eliminates toxins from your liver. Remember, your liver is cleaning your bloodstream constantly, and then the liver has to deal with those toxins. We deal with a lot of harsh chemicals in our environment. So this glutathione is going to optimize that phase 2 liver detoxification in order to get these toxins out. So whether you're coming across heavy metals, pesticides, environmental chemicals, medication, or even alcohol, and also the pesticides and herbicides that are in our food. Without adequate amounts of glutathione in our body doesn't eliminate these toxins. It basically just recycles them through the system, and you start to get a toxic buildup, which ultimately makes you sick. This is a big reason that so many people are sick today. They have a toxic buildup in their body because the detox system is broken, is unable to get these toxins out. So in order to get someone who is sick well, we have to detox the body. One of the best ways to do this is actually by supporting the body with supplemental glutathione. And whenever we look at glutathione and supplementing with it, it's important to realize that this glutathione is very poorly absorbed. So we have to use a very particular form. We have to use a form of glutathione that's highly bioavailable, that's activated. That is going to be something like S-acetylglutathione. It's well absorbed, it works really well. And we'll talk in just a moment about how much you actually need in order to make a difference, and how I use it if I'm sick versus how I use it if I'm a healthy individual just trying to use it for general wellness. And I'll put a link in the description below to S-acetylglutathione that we use use clinically, I use personally. I know it works very well. I've successfully raised glutathione on lab reports time and time again using it. Now, glutathione also is very important for your immune system. Now, glutathione directly supports the immune cells, especially the white blood cells. It's going to help improve immune response, balance inflammation in the body, which is due to a poor functioning immune system, and support antiviral and antibacterial defenses in the body. Low glutathione is often seen in people who are frequently sick, people who are struggling all the time with chronic infections. If this is you, you get sick easily. When you get sick, you get knocked down for long periods of time. You have infection after infection. Typically, this is going to be a sign that you have low glutathione levels, and your immune system would benefit greatly from supplementing with it. Now, also, you're going to find that the glutathione will help with the reduction of chronic inflammation. And a lot of people ask me all the time, how do I know if I have chronic inflammation? If you have chronic inflammation in your body, well, maybe you're suffering from an autoimmune disorder, but also there's a high likelihood that you just hurt everywhere. Your knees hurt, your hips hurt, your back hurts, your neck hurts, your shoulders hurt, your hands hurt, your joints everywhere throughout your body just ache. Your body aches. That's chronic inflammation. Many times when people come and see me for care, that's one of the things I point out almost immediately. You know what? Your body hurts just to a touch. And as a result of that, what we're seeing is that you have chronic inflammation. Glutathione is going to help with the inflammatory pathway in the body, and it's going to help reduce all the pain and discomfort that you're feeling, but it also is important because it's going to help shut down a lot of the inflammation that's happening directly in the cardiovascular system that could lead to a cardiovascular event. So if we have less oxidative stress because we're putting in more of the master antioxidant, we're going to have less inflammation. So we came to the topic before of what is the best version of glutathione, and it's going to be S-acetylglutathione, the activated form. Now we have to look at how much. Well, for the average person, and according to the research, 200 milligrams per day is going to be a really good dose of glutathione. Now, the question becomes though, do I need to use it every day throughout my entire life, or is this something that I use intermittently? Let me share with you how I personally use it. Now, if I am healthy, or I'm even working with a healthy person, what I will use is glutathione about 3 months out of the year, total of 90 days. And it's not all in a row. It's not 3 consecutive months, one after another. It's typically spread out throughout the year. Maybe you'll use some in January, then you'll use some in June, and then you'll use it towards the end of the year. Okay, so you spread it out a little bit because it just helps optimize those levels in the body. And this is for someone who is healthy and just looking to maintain good levels of health and also healthy aging. Now, if there's an unhealthy individual, or I'm unhealthy myself, this is how I use it. I will continuously take it until I've reached a health outcome that I am shooting for. Okay, so if I'm trying to overcome a condition, I will continuously take it until I get there. If I am trying to overcome a symptom, I will continuously take it until I have overcome that symptom I'm struggling with. Because if I am sick, if I am unhealthy, if I'm dealing with symptoms, I need more glutathione than if I am not. And so as you'll see, we don't really up the dose, because if you put too much glutathione in the body too fast, you can end up with a little bit of a problem where you just ramp up those detox systems in the body, and it's just a little bit overwhelming. So it's not that we put more in, we just use it for a longer duration of time, ultimately putting more in, but not in the way of a higher dose. We're just extending the use period of the glutathione. So for a healthy person, 3 months throughout the year. For an unhealthy person, continuous use until you've reached your health goals. Because glutathione isn't just for immune system health, it's not just for detox, it's not just for inflammation, it's also really good for your brain health and your neurological well-being. Glutathione is shown to protect the neurons, support memory and cognition, help with mood balance, and also reduce brain fog. Low levels of glutathione are usually correlated with neurodegenerative conditions such as Parkinson's and also Alzheimer's. In many cases, when they take these individuals who are suffering with these neurodegenerative conditions, they look at their levels of glutathione, and of course, they're depleted. Now, we're also going to find that glutathione supports your cellular energy in your mitochondria. This is something that's very good for not only healthy aging, but also for keeping you healthy for long periods of time. One of the facts of human existence and human biology is that as as we age, our mitochondria doesn't produce as much energy as our body demands, and this is part of the aging process. And so glutathione is going to support adequate levels of ATP production in the mitochondria, your energy levels, faster recovery, and also reduce fatigue throughout the day. And who doesn't need that? We're also going to find that glutathione supports skin health and anti-aging, whether it's UV damage, pollution that's impacting our skin, or just oxidative stress that's making us look older. Glutathione is going to help with the collagen integrity, healthy skin tone, and also slower visible aging, which is beneficial for all of us, because one of the big factors that makes you look young or old is just what your skin looks like. And glutathione is going to support that process of helping you look younger. It also is going to support your cardiovascular system through healthy circulation, endothelial function, which is going to help maintain proper blood pressure and also reduce LDL oxidation, which is important in order to avoid any type of cardiovascular event in your future. It'll support blood sugar control and your metabolic health through improving insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome, and also reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Glutathione is going to support your lung and respiratory health through the process of helping your body detoxify air pollution, smoke, and even allergens. One of the things that you probably didn't know about your lungs is it is one of the detox organs in the body. It's one of the ways that your body's going to get out bad things. So therefore, we want to make sure we're keeping our lungs healthy. Now, you may find yourself in a position where you go, yeah, glutathione is pretty important, but who really needs glutathione? Well, most people will benefit from utilizing glutathione. But here's the thing, is anybody who is dealing with high toxin exposure, chronic stress and inflammation, autoimmune or metabolic related issues, liver or gut dysfunction, brain fog or fatigue, and just aging in a way where you want to age in a healthy manner, you want to have less wrinkles, better skin tone, all the above, glutathione is going to benefit you in all of these circumstances. And I know that seems like it's one of those across the board things that pretty much improves total body health. Well, it's true, because glutathione is the master antioxidant. It's fighting free radicals. When you fight free radicals in your body, you dramatically improve your health. So supplementing with glutathione will certainly benefit many of us. And remember, you have to use the active form. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to absorb it. And I'll put a link in the description below to the glutathione that we use clinically, and that will set you up for success. I'm Dr. Zyrowski, and if you love this video, well, you're going to love this one over here next.